Good morning, happy Thanksgiving. Unfortunately, I think by the time you see this, I think Thanksgiving will have been a few days ago, but I did see a lot of comments where I talked about making all the sides. I think it was my grocery haul, and I saw that a lot of you wanted to see a video from Thanksgiving. So hopefully I'll be able to balance that out, just because I am a one-woman show cooking here, so yeah. Usually I actually always start my turkey in the morning and I have Thanksgiving kind of ready for the lunch portion, but this year I think I'm gonna do more dinner. So what I'm gonna do to maximize the oven, because I don't have a double oven, is to start the pies. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start the pies now. I have two that I need to cook, my cherry and my apple. And then as soon as I get those into the oven, I'm gonna take a shower and just kind of like get ready for the day. This is me straight out of bed. I just made the bed, so that's about the only thing I've done. Made the bed, Loxy has food and water. I made myself some orange juice, and that's as far as I've gotten for the day. About 45 minutes to shower, get ready, and I really want to try to do it in that time. I'm getting so sick of getting ready taking so long. It's so frustrating. It's one of the things that like puts me off from doing it in the first place. I am done getting ready, and I'll kind of show you what I'm wearing. So even though I laid out this outfit, which I can't wait to wear it a little bit later because it has like a little bow tie here, but I think I'm gonna wear this for dinner tonight. I feel like I could probably get a little bit dirty cooking later for the turkey and everything, so I am wearing this festive forest green shirt. And then I was gonna do my hair wavy, but then I decided to go ahead and do it straight. And got my makeup done. The pies have already gone off. So I'm making this corn recipe. I've never made it before, but it calls for frozen corn, so I have that in there, but I'm gonna cut the recipe in half just because I don't need 32 ounces of corn. So I've got roughly 16 ounces. It calls for sugar or honey. So 1.5 teaspoons. the salt, but it basically says salt and pepper. 2/3 cup of whole milk. There. Is that it? Unsalted butter, basically. Cheese, 8 ounces, but again, I'm halving this. So we're gonna do 4 ounces, about.
Is it actually ready?
Yep. I mean, it needs 15 minutes to cool down, but